March ni somni pathum sang ni somni paruk ani ei darkar somli pariat kha Trump hianin Iran te hun ape ani khami huna khanin khami hun chung khan Iran hianin Strait of Hormuz an hong lo ani chuanin Trump patelam hianin Irana an energy infrastructure an current te an oil siam chona zong kha kan bom dar ve kang ti in warning a pe darkar somli pariat hun na pe ani Trump hian ti chuan darkar somli pariat aral ta a enge thleng kan riak ma in he kan en holo ka
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang ni somni paruka tanga sang ni somni pasari academic session atan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hong le ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experience teacher ten pathian thu ne na no pangan zirtir na le an kai hroina skula hian admission ron ti vero le
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chaltang li leveng phone number te lo chin cheula admission in lo han ti ve theu don ni ole tu da zoni kan react tanang
Mohammed Val in Tehran. I'm just hearing that that Iran's Fars news agency says and reports this very moment that there is no direct communication between Iran and the United States. So as
Trump pachuanin hetiang hianin thu achuani darkar somli pariat aral hnuah khan ama sabera chuanin darkar somli pariat huna pe Trumpan ti chuan darkar somli pariat aral hnuah enge thlengan ti chuan engma thlenglo Trump te hianin an beilo Iran hi hetiang hianin Trump hianin social media thilaron post day I am pleased to report that the United States of America and the country of Iran have had, over the last 2 days, very good and productive conversations regarding a complete and total resolution of our hostilities in the Middle East. Aom je chu Trump hian in Iran nen kan in beme kan hitiang hoizong hian in thuron post dai mai ani. Hei hi ka reaction chu enge an ti chuanin ka oi lo. Tat pu Donald Trump na hetiang a thuron post ka oi lo. Tat achan chu Trump hian hetiang hian in tuni ni chung khan om je chu darkar somli pare chung khan in Iran te nen hian hetianga kan in be na chung chang a hian in biak na kan neya kan in biak na po a productive a thakop mai a positive khop mai tiang zong hian in thuron post ani hei hi ka oi lo na chan pakhat chu amalam to khan in Iran sarkar hian in US an ring tolawa Israel po an ring lawa achan chu nikum June tha khanin US te nenanin beto anin biak shrep nuwa US in a bom thuta kumina po US te nenanin bemeka anin biak mek lai khanin US te nan bom le thutani chu van chuanin Iran te lampang hianin kan tan chuanin rin ngai nai nom tolo chu van chuanin engti kongjong main kan negotiate pui don lo cheu an lo ti top to ani negotiate an tum lo shrim min be chuan kan energy infrastructure hi inron be ani chuan Middle East ramshang energy infrastructure hi kan beilen nga lang ti in energy infrastructure energy and siam chuan mun sang an beilet an va be tur list te po antar chok nge nin Iran media te chuanin an ron report ani kha chu van chu hetianga Trump ina thatakin kan in bia a productive khop mai a positive khop mai kan ti dan te po ati hi chu he chuanin ka oi theilawani ti chuanin hei Al Jazeera hianin aron soile chia Iran media te chuanin Trump te sarkar Trump administration te nen hian engma in biak na direct in biak na engma kan neilo an ron ti vetlat mai ni Trump hian hetiang hianin kan in bia atia Iran media te chuanin kan in belawan ron ti vele tat mai ani ti chuanin Trump chantu media te chuanin tuna Trump thil posi anasa theiang berin an ti dar dona Iran lampang chantu media te chuanin Trump patenen engma indoor na kan neilo tin khami Iran thule la kha anti dar ve chiam don ani ta hianin khoizong e rin tur kan ti chuanin tuna hianin Iran hian Middle East lampang hi an la bei mek boxia chu wang chuanin Trump na hetianga thilaron post hi chu oi chu har to vet khop mai tuna ri chuan ti chuanin Trump hianin based on the tenor and tone of these in-depth detailed and constructive conversations which will continue throughout the week tunkar chungzong kan in bianga I have instructed the Department of War te hi thu ka peya Iran power plant le energy infrastructure be na tu reng sipai chak na mga be na tu reng hi ninga chung postpone tu rani ninga chung kan postpone nga ti chuan kan meeting na le kan soi ho na enge aki zirte a positive nge positive lo kan in rem thei don nge don lo ti ang chi ve la zirin ningaral hnuah hianin tutluk na thar kan siam le don ania tiang zong hianin Trump hianin a ron pos ani that maina thank you for your attention to this matter ron dire thap maya Trump hian kan play zelang video hi
as per Donald Trump's message, there is some form of communication. Iran, U.S. speaking in some fashion. He didn't say how, but he did seem to say it was progressing positively. We're now learning from the Iranians, or at least from Fars, that the communication, if it is happening, is not direct.
Trump hianin direct takin Iran tenen hianin kan inbia atia amaro chu Iran lampang chuanin US tenen hianin direct ka inbiak na engma kan nei lo wanti an inbia ni don pon Iran lampang hianin Trump ate administration hi direct kan biak du karin lo na chan pakhat chu indoni ma sabera khanin khamenei kha Trump ate khanin an thata ti chuanin khamenei an tha baga khanin amonu fanu lekha ting te po kha an thatela ni lo mi pero chuanin Iran supreme leader thar hi khamenei thawani khamenei fa pa khamenei thaw khania an supreme leader thar hi anin apa tan hiam phuba lakhi achak zek donani chu fan chuanin achung te apa te thattu te direct a biak do hi ka ring lo shrim ke man mishing na tang arin thei lo shrim ani nang ni po ni taula in rin hi ka ring bik lo chu van chuanin direct in an in biak ka ring lawa Trump hian in aron soi war le ma ni in ka ngai ni tun trum hi chu direct in belonga tu nge ambassador atang anin kara hetiang chi vel hi a thok a palaya atang ang kan ti chuanin Qatar, Saudi Arabia, India, Turkey tipo an katiang apalaya te po khanin an chan thei na chan khaum ve tho mai.
Well, it makes perfect sense, Cyril, at the moment, even though in his tweet, President Trump talked about some kind of talks with the Iranians over the last couple of days. It's very much understandable that those talks were not direct. He did not make it specific whether they were direct or indirect, but it makes sense that they are still indirect. If there are mediators, Egyptians, Omanis,
or Egyptians,
as we have heard,
Turkey.
Probably they are just communicating between the two sides indirectly, which is not contradictory to what Fars news agency has said. It's too early, I think, for the two sides to sit face to face around the same negotiation.
Anin bom shep no anin be shep no chate te hanin biak le kha chu hanin biak le kha chu thei don lo shrim chu wan chuanin direct in anin be don lo Trump hian in direct be deu ang hian ron soyama ro chu direct in belo ti chu chiang anin kara hian in palai na thoka no manga Egyptians ani lo ponin Turkey lampang te pon ni mai thei ani ani hian in tiang hian in site pan hi an bia ani mai theia anin biak don pon
table. They have been, until now, they are fighting each other tooth and nail, and escalation was the order of the day. So I think it's too early for them to sit together, which makes perfect sense what the Fars news agency says. Again, this is also related to what you told me before, that the Iranian TV said that America has backed down, Donald Trump backed down.
Iran TV lampang chuanin Trump hi a back down ani antian hi omse chu Trump hian in miron be ngam le lawani khatiang zau khanin Iran media lampang chuanin an lo ti vele dai maya ti chuanin Trump te lam media chuanin hey Trump an a postpone ani Iran a be tur hi khatiang zau khanin thu kha an kaltir vele da thungta a news te po hi en copy ngai na sa angai na sa hey Fox News kan ti te Sky News Australia kan ti te heng te chu pro Trump pangoi ngoi an nia ni za lama video ka siam pon pakhat pa hianin America lam pangin warning an pe prepa America in a warning a pe kan oi du lo khatiang han bom ni mai lom kha aron tia khatiang aron comment kha chuanin Trump te pol lam news ti kha angai kha thing ti kha a chianga chu wang chuanin neutral deu a news pong hin omlem lawa US side le Iran side ngor ni chu wan chuanin hey Al Jazeera te hi chu tlemin a neutral o en copy ngai ve na sa khop mai he tianga han react don po hian
makes sense that the Iranian TV and the Iranian media talk to their public here for domestic consumption very strong words about America has given in, has surrendered, and so on. It's something very usual. The rhetoric that is propagated on the national TV here for domestic consumption is always talking about Iran at the top of all of this, having
Iran media chuanin an mani ram chunga Iran mi puite mu thei tur tan chuanin Trump hi mi ron beile ngam lo ani khatiang zo khanin thu khan the darani Iran ram chung bi ga chuan mo ti he keinin kan lo hrelia ti chuanin hey Fox News kan ti te Sky News Australia kan ti te heng te hi chuanin Trump hianin enge khatiang hianin ala beile du ri lo ani khatiang zo khanin anni lam pang kha chuanin news kha an ti ve thung ani khati kha ani darkar somli pare kha da he darkar somli pare thianin i Kovela darkar somli pare poimo berte zinga mi alaniang te po kha anti manani athan zu darkar somli pare tania Iranina Strait of Hormuz an hongvek lowani chuanin Trump hianin Irana an energy infrastructure zongzong kha bom chiat vek kha atumani ti chuanin khatianga US nam painan ron bom chian ni chuanin Iran an lo zambik lo ron bom chero miron be chuan hengte hi kan be le tur target an ni an lo ti ve boxi mo hei hi chu apui tho rem kho pang engtin nge in biak na hi a thlen zel don riat zel chak om ole ati zong kha tun trum atana kan han riak thei chu ani ei thil pui de wa thleng do na mo ka tia kei po darka somli pare te kha rala ma ro chu engma thleng lo ani mo engma thleng lo han ge Trump chuan direct ang reng de win kan in bia tia Iran lampang zo kan in belo anti ti kha ni de mai ni